We're excited to be at a phase where, yes, you still have to use some imagination, but not quite as much as you did a month ago. But you'll really see what we're doing here with a lot of the finishes and a lot of the textures, and give you a good first look of what we're trying to debut. So first, obviously, came in the front entrance. You know, really our goal, bring in the sights and sounds of Memphis. That's what Hyatt Centric brand is all about, really being local and being inspired by where you are. Being the first hotel on Beale Street, but also being right on the river, you'll see a lot of that coming in.